Now you can also do a surface information report. So on the surfaces tab, over to the far end on the ribbon, you're going to pick surface info report. You're going to choose your surface, and then you're going to choose whether you want it just by area and to include a table, and you can define those elevation ranges. Same thing with slopes, you can define the slope ranges, and then you can include surface warnings in the table as well. Now any of the settings, you can also come up to this report options and set any of the report options, you know, like what gets saved, the header, the footer, so on and so forth. So I'm going to click OK, and it's going to create a report, and instead of an Excel file, it's actually creating a Trimble Business Center report, and then this report can be saved as an Excel file, a PDF, Word document, can be printed. You can see it's a 3-page report, and it's got a pretty detailed set of data. So basically you can see here I've got a number of vertices, I've got my limits, my planimetric actual and surface areas, and then even a material breakdown. So you can see that I've applied materials to this surface in this project, so these materials are actually broken out as well. So it's giving me the area of, you know, my turf and my pond and my curbing and my seed and so on. And then also a breakdown by the elevation area. So at each elevation, it's showing you what the min and max elevation, the planimetric and surface area, as well as the actual surface area. And then the slopes are also defined in here as well on the next page. So here's the slopes, and you can see that I have the slopes and the areas that are covered. So I got basically a certain amount of area at a 5 to 20% slope, 2 to 5% slope, so on and so forth.